Hey, you bro, what's up? Hope you're doing well. All right, cool. Instead of this is live. Well, I'm great too, bro. What I'm doing is basically creating a quiz app where users can come and compete with each other in real time. Uh, it will basically have something like a real time leaderboard so that users get to know each other's score in real time. And yeah, I'm basically new to GoLang. I have always used Node.js for backend, so I'm also learning GoLang. So yeah, making a hand-on project in order to learn the language. We'll be basically using WebSockets in order to make it real time. And for creating a real-time leaderboard, I'm using Redis Reset because it is really fast. Yep. Okay, this will be basically the time at which quiz goes live, and we won't be needing is live boolean flag over here after this. So what we can do is, oh great, where are you from by the way? Which state, which country, where are you from? All right. Oh, I'm from Himachal, bro. Currently working as a backend developer. I honestly find Golang pretty interesting, to be honest. Like, it is good, and yeah, I'm liking this language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, bro. Uh, Actually, I pretty much, explored about Go architectures or project structures which we need to follow. I came across multiple articles, right? Like one of the articles I also saved. I'll show you. Like this is the article which I like. There are multiple articles which I went through. This is one of the articles which I saw. But at last, like I also think, yeah, there's this video also. So
For
basically,
that,
at last, what I got to know was there's no particular standard as in to follow in Golang. Like there's literally no fixed standard for Golang actually. It's just that you keep your directories minimal. You don't overcomplicate stuff by creating multiple directories. So yeah, Wait a bit. So I'm gonna go then. Yeah, me too, bro. I actually love backend dev. And don't worry about underpaid stuff. You'll eventually land into a good paying job if you have good skills. I think skills are what matter in long run. So yeah, don't worry about that overpaid, underpaid stuff. Do subscribe to the channel and share the stream with your friends, bro. If you're liking it. Alright, let's continue. This is what we do, right? Create quiz. I need a lifetime. Okay, okay, I see. Cool. Thanks for subscribing, bro. I hope you love the live streams. Question count we have over here. Thanks, bro. This has been on my list for a long time, actually. Just thought of creating this in GoLang. Alright, of course. What time do we need? Let's say I want to make it live at 10 a.m. Right? Admin controller. I have this thing. Yeah, this should work, I think. Should I play some lofi beats in the background? Just give a yes or no in the chat if you want me to play. All right, this is ready. Let's create something. Actually, so we have every category. Let's say I had bash or docker and do a post request. Parsing time cannot parse. 1006, seriously. Hmm. I have 1 year of experience actually, and yeah, not exactly 1 year, 1.5 years you can say, 1.5 years. 1 year as a data analyst where I worked as a developer sometimes as Sentry, and 6 months as a full-time developer. So yeah, that's how much experienced I am. Not, I'm basically a learner to be honest. So yeah. All right. Okay. All right. What I'm doing is created a utility function to convert right. Yep. It will convert it. Okay. Cool. Yeah, okay. I can do. This is what it is. Okay. String true. All right. This should work, I guess. Let's create a Docker quiz. Create quiz successful. Let's see if we have a Docker quiz over here. And lifetime is okay. Let's see. This बज रहे हैं. Okay, great. Second one. Great, cool. This is fine. That's what we want. And now we can remove this live thing. Oh, great. Which year graduate are you? Like, what's your pass out year? questioncheck.go is like, alright, see what's it. Actually, let's keep it this way. And oh, great! I'm a 2024 pass out. Okay. This should work. We can eventually set up a cron job or something like that, which will basically run, let's say, every night at 12, which updates the live status of these quizzes. Right. So what it will look like is cron runs tonight. I don't have any Discord as of now. I'm thinking of creating one. Let me know if I should or not. I'm not yet pretty sure if I should create a Discord channel or not. So yeah, let me know if you want me to have a Discord channel. I'll definitely create one so that we have a good community over here if people want that. Sure, bro. I'll definitely create one. But yeah, just one thing. I'm not only planning to learn GoLang on this channel. I'm actually planning to document my whole learning journey or anything that I create. So yeah, it won't be only Go specific, but yeah, I'll definitely create a Discord channel so people can join and we can have a community over there. Let's make it like 8th. Cool. So what will happen is let's say the quiz happen and okay, okay. We also need another thing which is we'll also need something like quiz duration. Okay, let me just pause the music for a while. Okay, what I think is instead of wasting time on a tutorial, basically getting stuck in a tutorial hell, what one should do, like with what I am doing, is just learn some basic syntax of Go along with the whole, uh, basic pointer stuff and anything that you want. After doing that, just go ahead and make some projects. See, if you already have some knowledge or experience in backend, right, then I think the core concepts are definitely clear to you. So you can anyhow proceed to creating a project, right? Even I was not that much familiar with the whole language. I learned a lot while creating this project. So yeah, like I definitely had knowledge of Redis, MongoDB. I also could have used PostgreSQL over here, but I thought using MongoDB would be easier. So instead of getting stuck in tutorial hell, you should just proceed with some project stuff. Like what I did was, uh, see, I had this idea long ago, but I just added this note very later actually that I'll be coding this in GoLang because I thought if I am learning the language, then why not create it in some why not create a project in that language, right? To get a proper hands-on experience with that thing. So I would recommend instead of getting stuck in tutorial, just go ahead and make some projects. Let's create it 15. Actually, no. Okay, why dot question count is basically 1 minute or else just do this. Oh, okay. Sure. Basically, Obsidian Sync is something I built. Okay. See, Obsidian Sync was basically a very mini project just for my personal use. What I did was instead of paying $4 to Obsidian or integrating some third-party service, to constantly add my Obsidian data to GitHub, I created a bash script which I can show you. There it is. Yeah, I created this basic bash script. No, sync for not paid. Actually, I created my own bash script, which what basically does is just syncs the whole Obsidian folder, Obsidian Vault to GitHub. Now I have basically set up a cron job for it, which runs twice a day at 11 a.m. and at 11 p.m. So it automatically syncs my whole Obsidian to GitHub. So I don't have to worry about my Obsidian backup. I don't have to manually do it. So yeah, that's what I did. And Obsidian Web is basically a project I'm not currently working on. I just have laid out the idea. It is just that I will create a blog, something like, which is basically available on, let's say, this domain. Basically, my whole Obsidian on web, which syncs constantly. That's what I'm planning. Not yet started, but yeah, that's what I have in mind. Let's see how it works. If you want the Obsidian sync script, you can find it over here. Sorry, not this. It's a very basic bash script. You can just find it over here. You can replace your location of the Obsidian Vault, and you can replace your GitHub and any detail. Just to keep one thing in mind, when running a cron job for Git, you'll have to create a new access token for that because cron jobs basically run in an isolated environment, so they won't by default pick up your GitHub secrets. So you'll have to create a new secret for that basically. I'll paste it. If you want to use, you can just sync use it. Yeah, I pasted it in chat. If you want, you can use it. It was just a basic personal project, nothing else. All right, 30 seconds for every question. 15, right? It will have 7.5 minutes. No worries, bro. No worries. Let's store it in seconds actually. What it will do is 15 by 7 multiplied by 60. It will have 128 seconds, let's say, right? And 30 seconds for every single question. So it is something like 30 into 15. We can actually do that now. For doing this, I can do this. Thanks a lot, bro. Thanks a lot. And 32 will work. And let's actually add this over here. 450. This will work. And 32. Yeah, this should work. We'll actually have something like this. So yeah, this would make sense. Alright, just one thing that I need to do is stream tools overlays. Okay, just give me a second, bro. Just give me a second, guys. I'll just modify this thing. Start overlay. And this should work, I guess. Yeah, this should work. Please type something in chat, bro. Guys, anybody? I want to test something out. So please, any of you, just type something in chat. Right, we have this. We're done with this. We are done with this. We're done with this actually. Don't need this. The next thing we need is db.co solution model.co. Okay. Work is cool. I guess that's it. Now we can integrate WebSockets, I guess. And right. Do we have socket.io? I guess we have it. Let's see. If we have it, will be good, I guess. Yes, client. No. GoLang. Yeah. There you go. Already have it. This repository has been archived. Okay, we can't use this then. This will be outdated. Is this working fine? Okay, this is actually working fine. I guess socket.io to support. And yeah. Cool, I guess we can use this then. Let's work. Let's see. But the only reason I want to learn GoLang in 2025 is I think it's emerging a lot, like a lot of big companies or a lot of startups are using GoLang. I think there's literally a good enough hype for GoLang, and I don't think sticking to a single language, like let's say I am a Node.js developer right now for backend, so I don't think sticking to a single language would make any sense, right? Like there's no harm in learning some new tech, so in the long run it will eventually help you, right? I don't believe in this stuff that okay, uh, do something because of the hype. Instead, do something if you really want to learn it, and eventually it will help you in long run if you learn anything. That's what I believe. So not a specific reason, it's just that I wanted to learn it. So yeah, that's the only reason. I know there are a lot of people out there who might get offended by this thing that don't do stuff just because of hype. I believe just do stuff if you want to do it. That's it. Eventually it will help you. Where are you from, by the way, bro? Jack Juice. This is what you have. If got it. Oh, connect socket. You need to pass a server in this, right? You need to pass a server if not. Oh, great crew. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me tell if you're liking the stream or not. Oh, you have this also. Oh, we have WebSockets for Gorilla. Gorilla WebSocket. There you go. See what it has. Hmm. Okay, this is kind of a circular dependency stuff, like circular dependency. Maybe example, parents, sure. See this documentation, upgrade a software. Just don't need this. Default and upgrader. See dot write a request if error NLD connection dot close. Okay, the connection dot write a message. Okay, got it. Let me just do one thing. Put this in a new tab. Content. Let's see what it does. Okay, everybody is using Gorilla WebSocket. Is there something special with this? Socket, yeah. I think then we can use this. Okay. GoLang engine. Okay. Grid connection. Terminate this and creator WebSocket dot upgrader. Restart and dot context and upgrade dot upgrader. Okay, got it. Basically, it does nothing but has a function with context which uses the upgrader with the c.writer, c.request, and an L. And right, got it. What else do we need? Okay, let's say I want to take okay, quiz router start quiz. I think I want to have right. I'll have something like start quiz. Cool. Next thing is upgrader, and I'll do something like database upgrader. We'll define it. Then we have this thing. WebSocket. The text message is getting from there. What is this saying? This won't work. Why is this thing so WebSocket? Okay, let's see. I shouldn't find a way to being used without being declared. Alright, got it. That was the issue. My bad. Connection dot close and it will build up this thing. Precisely start locating the assistant WebSocket. So this on the 8080 port. Right, cool. No, I don't add any request. Start quiz. Right. Start, okay. It does me. Let's say I get submit quiz. What will this do? Bad request, definitely. Of course, bad request. And reason being, it's a WebSocket request. Custom. What? I cannot send a WebSocket request. Oh, that's strange. Yeah, of course, I know this. I know this. I know this. Load balancing. Yeah, of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. Right. What to enter the socket? Okay. We'll just add a WS over here. What will this do? Let's see. If it works or not. Not sure if it will work. This is strange. Did you do router.get? Yes, a router.get /ws c start in dot context of course or c dot writer upgrader dot upgrade cause controller. Okay, if error is not met, return if connection dot close connection dot write message. All right, that was the issue, man. What HTTP? That's how it will work. Alright, let me do one thing. Just quit it and Postman over here. Alright, give me a second. I'm just starting Postman. Just logged in with a different account. So I'm just changing account actually. Alright. Back to sign in. What is my password? I actually forgot the password. Still sign in with Google. And yeah, there we go. I guess that says it should be working now. I guess. Alright, let me just do a sign in, and it should be working now. I guess. Open person.app. Yep, of course. Cool. All right. Okay. Let's do this, and I need this new WebSocket. Localhost v1. Unauthorized. All right. Headlines. Let's go connected to WebSocket. Hello WebSocket. Hello WebSocket. Hello WebSocket. Great. That is working fine. Disconnect. Yeah, that is actually working fine, right? Disconnect it again, and it should be working. Cool. Now what we need to do is, it is sending hello WebSocket. Right. We'll actually maintain something like a map or something actually. Alright, give me a second. Need this, need this, need this. We don't need this. Okay. Feature, or this feature has been implemented. क्या हाल है भाई रजत? कैसे है ब्रो? Right, it is sorted. It feels hashes. Hashes are got a model reservation in value players. Okay, it's set. Bike one, it started bike one. Bike one model. Just simple string value. Star place. Okay. Let's see better WebSocket support lyrical. Okay, got it. Need this. Don't save. Let me just switch the account. Right. Thunder client and new request. WebSocket request. What the? Right. Okay. Cool. Eventually use करना होगा. Connect and cancel. Cool. Alright, defer connection dot close. Create connection. Let's do one thing. If it's in the c.in context further, we'll have connection dot close over here. Status is connection dot write message. Time dot sleep. Instead of this, let's do this. Start quiz में. Okay, connection. This is what I need. I need this ID. String. Alright, what we're doing here is actually default timeout of 24 hours, TTL of 24 hours. It won't last this much actually eventually because it will get deleted once the quiz is ended. So yeah, that should work. Cause controller need to generate a UUID. Alright, let's say right. Process and socket. WebSocket connection is established over here. Socket में Okay, I have. What do we have over here? Actually, not this. What is this? Grid. What is this connection? Let's see what all things does. Con.con. Okay. Right. Do we have something like net connection dot? Oh, okay. Con.go. Then we have these right fields. Then we have these right fields. The connection. Right. General connection. lock mechanism basically. How it will work is okay. Let's create something like this. This matrix and score. Let's go mutex vector declaration. Okay. Oh, okay, got it. Alright, what we do over here is sort of grid connection. Grid connection. Socket.go upgrade the base connection. And यहाँ पे you'll pass user dot id dot hex dot hex. Alright, this will basically remove connection, and let's see if this is working fine or not. Okay, let's try this out. Go connect and disconnected. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. This router. Alright, the route will integrate WebSocket upgrade logic to controller. Route middleware is how to do it. Yes, there we go. Start quiz, user ID, quiz ID. Add connection. connection to connect. What does this about? Okay. Okay. There the WebSocket connection goes automatically because the function exists in the default code, not a class. Trigger it. Okay. Which terminates the WebSocket connection. This happens if the function doesn't continuously read or write messages to the WebSocket. Okay, a follow continuously for calls convert a message. The loop breaks and the reflection is triggered. Alright, I'll actually have to implement this then. Great. Just put this. See if it works now. Connection added for user. This cool. Let's say from GoLang web server. Send from GoLang web server. Great. Very nice. Now what do we have over here? WebSocket connection is actually established. Right, and our function parent. Need to mention this actually. Let's just simply press a connect, and what happens when it is connect? Action removed from the user. Okay. What happens when I do a connect? I'm gonna check it is for this user actually. And it is, let's see. We have a string over here. 5528. Very nice. This is a sorted set. This doesn't have. Okay. We have one more issue actually. Cool. I have this 127. Alright, alright, alright. Actually, let's do one thing. Do.md. Preview. What? This is back down. Ah, got it. That is how you do it. Mercury, I need this. Alright, that's it for today. I think let's wrap today's coding session. A bit tired from office work also, so yeah, good progress I would say. We implemented WebSockets today. Got a hand dirty with other things like deciding on how to proceed further for our WebSocket connections or for our real-time quiz things. So yeah, that's it for today. Let's continue streaming tomorrow, I guess. Cool. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys. Docker stop now. Mongo. Exit. Let's just quit Docker. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Good night.